Have you ever wondered about the science behind finding the perfect cat for your lifestyle? Studies show that cats can reduce stress by up to 60%. In this video, you'll find out how to choose the perfect cat for you. First, think about your daily routine. Do you work long hours or are you mostly at home? Cats like the Persian are great for calm environments. Active breeds like Bengals need more interaction. Consider your living space too. Large or small, there's a cat for that. Research says mixed breed cats often have fewer health issues. Don't forget about the emotional connection. It's crucial. Adopting a cat can improve your mental health significantly. Ready to find your furry friend? Hit like if you found this useful. Subscribe for more pet tips and tricks.